to show you what all are the ingredients we are using to make ghee rice. Take 3 cups of kaima rice or 600 gram and soak it in water for 10 minutes. Then remove the water using strainer. Remember, don't soak more than 10 minutes. Slice 2 small size onion or 200 gram into 2 portions. First portion should be thick, the other portion of the onion should be thin. Half teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cashew nut. And these are some spices. 4 tablespoons of ghee, enough water, measuring cup and non-stick pan. Let's put 4 tablespoons of ghee in the frying pan. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts and fry until golden brown. Now let's take this and keep it aside. In the same ghee, add the thin sliced onion. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it until golden brown. Add half teaspoon of sugar and mix it well. Sugar will keep the fried onions fresh and crispy. Let's keep this aside. We are adding 1 star anise, 4 cardamom, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 bay leaf and 6 cloves into the ghee. Stir it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add the thick slices of onion. Stir it until it becomes light golden brown. Then add the soaked rice and fry it for 5 minutes. Boil 4.5 cups of water. For 1 cup of rice, we need 1.5 cup of water. Add the boiled water into the rice and stir it. To this, add 1 3/4 of salt. Squeeze some lime to this. Now mix everything well. Make sure to close the lid so the rice cooks perfectly. Let's open the lid. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix it properly. Let's spread the rice out evenly. Now, let's garnish. First, we'll add the fried cashews, followed by the fried onions. Keep the lid closed and cook for a few more minutes on low heat. Now the ghee rice is ready. Hope you like the recipe. Thanks for watching.